Hello and welcome to today's class. For this class, we look at the concept of solubility curve. First things first, for those that are new to this video, we have done two videos before now. The first one talks about introduction to solubility. Second one talks about calculation of solubility. Now the third one talks about what there. The third one talks about what there. The solubility of a curve or solubility curve, whichever one there. So if you're interested in our two previous classes before now, check the video description. You see a link that will take you to our two previous classes on solubility. So without taking much of our time, let's look at the concept of what solubility curve. Definition: when the solubilities of a solute in a given solvent are plotted against respective temperature, a solubility curve is obtained. The graph shows the effect of temperature on solubility of the substance. To compare the solubilities of different solutes in a given solvent, several curves can be plotted on the same axis scale. The diagram below shows the solubility of some solutes in water at different temperature. So listen and listen. When it comes to solubility curve, the idea is this, please. The only compound I give you is just 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Note that one first. Number 2 is that we are having this graph is a graph of what? Temperature to what? Solubility. And we said last class that temperature has a great effect when it comes to solubility. Oh. We said that last class. So it has a effect, a huge effect. So it means that temperature is here, and what I have solubility in mole per dm cube in degrees Celsius, right? That's like solubility. The idea of this graph here is simple. Don't stress yourself. So they'll give you questions, right? They'll give you a diagram, and they'll give you a question attached to the diagram. In fact, just check the diagram and spot out your answer, and that's all. So before we move on, I don't want to give you much notes. I'm interested. Just go ahead and solve some problems, right? This is very important too, but let's take an example to explain better on how to solve problem when it comes to solubility curve, right? It says, the example says, now listen, this example has a diagram, right? So let's write the diagram first, please. Sample problem 1, sample problem 1. All right. The graph is this, please. It says study the solubility curve below. Study the solubility curve below. It says study the solubility curve below, please. All right. Study the solubility curve below. I have this curve. Here is KCN. All right. So here gives you degrees Celsius. Solubility in mole per dm cube. Solubility in mole per dm cube. All right. So we are asked to, okay, with this diagram, let's read out the question attached to it, please. So the other is this for solubility. They'll give you diagram.
Hold on. Before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you. Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAEC and JAMB classes membership. If you're preparing for WAEC or JAMB, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAEC and JAMB classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including The Shortcut to Academic Success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube Mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online, record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today.